After Jang Roxy recovered from his fever, he found Xiami at the graffiti covered train station and once again confessed his love. This time, Xiami finally accepted. The two returned to Luxiang No. 1 High School, walking to the small bridge by the lake, reminiscing about how they used to run from Director Dai. Everything felt so vivid and fresh in their memories. Xiami mentioned that she had incorporated these details into the script. 4 months later, the film wrapped up. Director Wu expressed his eagerness to collaborate with the two again and asked about the direction of Xiami's next script. Xiami explained that during her university years, she read a book and was deeply influenced by Yuan Longping's contribution. She planned to collect stories of ordinary, unsung individuals for her next project. Fan Yuan arrived at the wrap party, holding a childhood photo of himself and Xiami. He recalled an incident when he was 10 years old and bullied by other children on a cruise ship. Xiami had stepped in to defend him. Being helped left a deeper mark on him, and he never forgot Xiami. Besides celebrating the film's completion, Fan Yuan officially bid farewell to both Xiami and Zhang Ruoxi, as he was planning to settle in Germany. After leaving the wrap party, Lin Roli called Fan Yuan, but he hung up on her. Later, she knocked on his door and tightly hugged him, telling him that Lin Jinlong had been released from prison and that she needed Fan Yuan by her side for protection. Once again, Fan Yuan softened his stance. Zhang Roxy brought Xiami to his home and showed her a photo wall he had created using pictures of the two of them. He then presented her with roses and officially asked her to be his girlfriend. The next day, they planned a camping trip. Before heading to the campsite, Xiami stopped by the train station to deliver something to her mom's friend. Along the way, she saw an elderly woman struggling to pedal a tricycle uphill. Xiami stopped to help her. When they reached a steep slope, the tricycle jolted, causing the heavy load to fall dangerously. At that moment, Zhang Roxy appeared and pushed Xiami aside, ensuring both were uninjured. However, their clothes were stained by some discarded dye. Zhang Ruoxi immediately took Xiami to buy matching couple outfits. The camping site was romantically decorated by Zhang Ruoxi. The two began barbecuing, but the fire grew too large and jumped out of the grill. Zhang Ruoxi quickly extinguished it with a fire extinguisher, but their food was ruined. Just as they were about to fetch new ingredients, it began to rain. Xiami, who had a fear of rain, clung to Zhang Ruoxi, unable to move. Zhang Roxy patiently guided her to listen to the sound of the rain and touch the water, helping her gradually overcome her fear. That evening, they redid the barbecue. As they ate, Xiao Juni called Zhang Roxy, crying about an argument with Wang Xiaoyu and asking for someone to vent to. When Xiao Juni arrived, he ate all their food while tearfully complaining about Wang Xiaoyu's unfairness, eventually drinking himself into a stupor. After settling Xiao Juni, Zhang Roxy prepared a light show for Xiami. Since there were no stars in the sky that night, he used the folded paper stars Xiami had once given him. He apologized for missing their 10-year promise and vowed never to leave her again. Elsewhere, Liu Dayu's brewery was thriving, and he often exchanged help with Tian Jarong. Zhao Rui became a child mental health counselor. Fan Yuan chose to stay in the country and got back together with Lin Roli. The two were seen reading at the library. Though Lin Role wasn't fond of philosophy, she made an effort to keep up with Fan Yuan's interests. When their high school class's story was adapted into a film, all the classmates were overjoyed. Meanwhile, Xiami and Zhang Roxy made wishes together by the seaside and set their next 10-year promise.